Here is a 52-inch Hunter Landsdowne ceiling fan that I have here in my bedroom right now. I installed this fan just yesterday, as I got it just yesterday from Canadian Tire, as Canadian Tire had them on clearance for only $129.99. And I have to say it actually works pretty well in here. My clips, the blades were starting to sag and stuff like that, so I wanted something that moved a little bit more air than that. As usual, it's got this LED Edison bulb or whatever, and the reverse switch is literally right here. And then you got both chains and obviously this wire design on it. And I'll start on high speed, I'm guessing. It does have bearing noise though. It does actually have some vibration when I feel it, like from here, but that's normal for ceiling fans. And the Hunter logo is on this side right here. Medium. Low speed. I guess this fan does have the traditional Hunter low speed as it fully slows down. I have to say this fan is actually relatively okay. This fan's one of the newer ones. I think it's from November 2022, if I can remember, if I read the date properly. I mean, the bearing noise isn't too bad on it, but I guess it's okay for what it is. The most difficult part to install in this fan is actually the light kit itself. Because for any who haven't installed one of these kind of Hunters before, there's screws directly under this plate. You remove it and all that kind of stuff, and it's definitely difficult because it's one of the light kits that you put on and twist. It's definitely a difficult model to install or whatever when it comes to the light kit, but overall, putting the blades on and actually mounting it to the ceiling is actually not that bad. So generally, I would recommend this fan for anyone that wants something that's really good at moving air. And yes, this fan is also outdoor rated, so it can hang outside, but since the weather's been kind of nasty or whatever, like, these are more tolerable to it, so I guess I would recommend this. But yeah, 52-inch Hunter Landsdowne, really good price.